Would you like to improve your English vocabulary and learn different ways to say I like something in English? Hi, welcome to Jen's Jyugyou. My name is Jen, and today you're going to learn 14 different ways to say that you like something. Our first expression for today is I like. After the verb like, there are 3 options of what you can use. You can use a noun, a gerund, or an infinitive. A gerund is a verb with ing that is similar to a noun in a sentence. An infinitive is to plus a base verb. For example, I like chocolate. I like eating chocolate. I like to eat chocolate. Expression number 2 is I'm into, or I'm really into. After into, you need to use a noun or a gerund. For example, I'm really into theater. I'm into acting on stage. Expression number 3 is I love. After love, you can use a noun, a gerund, or an infinitive. For example, I love video games. I love playing video games. I love to play video games. I love skating. I love to skate. Expression number 4 is I'm fond of. After fond of, you need to use a noun or a gerund. I'm fond of Studio Ghibli. I'm especially fond of Totoro. Expression number 5 is I enjoy. After enjoy, you need to use a noun or a gerund. I enjoy tea. I enjoy drinking tea. Expression number 6 is I'm crazy about. If you're crazy about something, it means you really, really love it. I'm crazy about my husband. Expression number 7 is I prefer. To prefer something usually means that you like it more compared to something else. For example, I like coffee, but I prefer tea. I'm fond of watching Netflix, but I prefer YouTube. Expression number 8 is I'm passionate about. If you're passionate about something, you feel really strongly about it and you really, really love it. In this expression, passionate about, you need to use a noun or a gerund. I'm passionate about Fiddler on the Roof. It's my favorite musical of all time. I'm passionate about supporting the arts, especially community theater. Expression number 9 is I'm a fan of, or I'm a big fan of. And after this, we should use a noun or a gerund. I'm a big fan of Julie Andrews. I'm a fan of Pokemon. Expression number 10 is I adore, or some people might say I simply adore. After adore, we usually use a person or sometimes an animal. I simply adore my husband. I think he's the greatest. I adore puppies. They're so cute. Expression number 11 is I take pleasure in, or I take delight in. And after that, you should use a gerund. For example, I take pleasure in listening to wonderful jazz music, or I take great delight in eating great food. Number 12 is I'm keen on. And after keen on, you should use a noun or a gerund. For example, I'm keen on reading. I'm especially keen on this book. Expression number 13 is I fancy. And after the word fancy, we usually use a noun or sometimes a gerund. Please be aware though that this expression, to fancy something, is usually used more in British English. My British friends tend to use this expression. So I might say, hey, would you like some donuts? And they might say, no thanks, but I'd fancy a biscuit, meaning they'd like to eat a cookie instead of eating a donut. Expression number 14 is simply to express the fact that you like something by using a positive adjective to describe it. For example, chocolate is amazing. Pokemon is marvelous. Julie Andrews is magnificent. And so on. If you'd like to learn some more positive adjectives and adjectives that have the same meaning as good, please check out a lesson I've made about that over here. And now it's time for Question of the Day. For today's question of the day, in the comments below, please tell me about some things that you like, that you love, that you enjoy, that you adore, and so on. Try to use some of the vocabulary from this lesson in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this lesson. If you're passionate about improving your English skills, please subscribe to Jen's Jyugyou so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Good luck with your English studies. See you in the next lesson.